So here I am sitting at Yaamava, and this girl sits next to me. You know what that is? That's Slotty By Nature, guys. Can you believe it?
I didn't know who this was, and he just like started to be like,
What?
"Hey, are you Slotty?"
I know.
It was really creepy.
Starstruck. All right, we're gonna play. What are we playing?
We're
Huff N Puff.
playing the real one and the Huff N Puff. I don't know what it's called. Eureka
All right,
Real.
Eureka Real and Huff N Puff. Here we go. What do you got? You got Eureka. Okay.
We're gonna try nickel denomination.
All right. We got the same friggin' grand, major, minor. Well, she's going 5 cents. I'm gonna go 5 cents too. All right. So let's see who wins.
You do bonuses first.
That's right. Oh, what's going on?
You gotta agree to it, sir.
I'm trying to agree. All right. Let me turn the volume up. Let's go. All right. Here we go. All right. Let's see who does it, man. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. As you guys know, freaking Huff N Puff, gives me a heart attack. Because it never pays.
That is the biggest tease of a game.
Dude, I know. I'm telling you, it's a hard game.
I don't think I've ever gotten a bonus on it.
Never?
No.
Alright, let's see who gets it first.
Do it.
Come on. I like chilling pig. He's just chilling right there. See that? Alright, come on. So you know what you need, right? Okay. I'm just teaching Slotty. She never plays slot machine. This is the first time she's ever played.
I've been doing this longer than you, so you need to shush.
See these women?
I really hope I bonus for you.
Oh, come on.
I have a feeling neither of us are going to bonus.
I know. Dude, this game is tough. Come on. Oh. So I'm coming off of my Vegas trip, which was fun. As you guys know, I had a grand time. Oh, you almost got it. So now I'm here in Yaamava. Come on. Don't like Slotty beat me, guys. Come on, Piggy.
I do.
I'll do a couple more here. The girl next to us is killing it. She's doing good. Should we drop it down?
Yeah.
All right, let's drop it down. All right, let's go down to 2 cents, huh?
I've already put $70 in. Nothing.
Well, I know. Let's go to 2. 2 cents?
Let's do it.
All right, 2 cents, guys. 2, ready?
Yep.
All right, party on. Oh, I'm gonna do 2 for a while. What do you got? You got what? $1 bet? I got $1.50 on mine.
I don't have that. I either go $1 or $2.
Yeah, that's weird. Guess they're all a little different. There you go. Was that your first line hit?
Yeah.
I think it was, huh? Alright, this game's not. These games aren't. I know who would ever freaking tell somebody to play these games? Okay, Marc, man. Jeez. Oh! There we go. Oh, come on. Oh. This might be the quickest games we've played. Come on. Oh.
I have the itch to do $3.
Okay, 3? Alright. There you go. You got it.
Yeah, someone told me.
Someone told you. Come on. I'm gonna do a couple more here. And I'm going back to 5. Oh, come on. Look at that. I got yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Do these actually have a bonus?
I know, I'm telling you. They should. You gotta get 6 of those, come on. That's Marc, sir, just so you know. Don't confuse.
I'll try to get it right the next time.
Yes, please, thank you.
Where's the 444 coming?
The 444 is just this random friggin'.
Can I leave that out?
Oh!
I'm getting it.
You can leave the 444 out. Only you, though. Everybody else must only 444 at all times. All right, screw it.
Mr. 444.
That's Mr. 444. That's right.
444.
All right.
Alright, look at this. This is ridiculous. Marc puts on my bed.
Where are you at? Let's see.
I started out with 170 something.
Yeah.
I'm not happy.
Oh. All right, we're trying, guys. All right, come on.
It does. Are you serious?
All right, come on.
Oh, that's awesome. That's really
Come on. Dude, this is bad. I think you're right. Slotty and I are getting taken. I'm gonna drop it down, guys. Alright, let's go back to, I'm gonna go to 2 cent again. Come on. Where you go? Hey, $20?
$53.
There we go. That's my best hit right there.
Is that really?
Which is nothing, yeah.
Oh my gosh, $4.
Come on.
I'm ready.
Dude, we're getting hosed. Ugh. Huh. We're getting reamed. I blame society for our problems. Come on. Oh, come on. Alright, that's a decent hit. Now that's my best one right there. Oh, you got 5. Dude.
Hey, if you ain't gonna give me a bonus, at least give me lion hits to keep me
I know, come on. There you go. That's a decent little one.
Come on.
Alright, let's take a peek here over at Slotty.
Why?
Well, let's see how you're doing. Come on.
Thank you, too. Thank you. 2
Come on.
more.
Oh, you got a ton of 5s. Come on. Alright, one more. This is it right here.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
Alright.
$1 more.
Come on.
Oh, I kind of felt that one.
Did you? Alright, let's go back to 5 cents. No?
Marc, what's happening?
I don't know, man. Come on. We're striking out here, guys.
144, what is happening?
I don't know, man. That's right. It's Sir Mr. 444.
What did I say? Mr.
Mister. It's Sir Mister. I don't think it's gonna happen,
One more
guys.
100 and that is it.
Is that it? Alright. You wanna do it on the Huff N Puff? Got that one right there. That one has actually, yours has better chances of getting a bonus because
I'll play whatever one you
I did that one.
Next to this?
Yeah. Might as well.
I don't believe you, but alright.
Stick to this, sir, right?
Should I stick to this now?
Yes, you should.
Guys, you won't find this garbage anywhere else.
And you're supposed to salute me as well. Alright, now we get some decent hits. Come on. Oh man. What are you betting, 10 bucks?
No.
Yeah, you are. You're betting 10 bucks.
I know, I'm trying to
Oh, look at that. Alright, let's get over to...
Come on,
Here we go. Hold on.
Alright, guys.
Take over.
You ready? I'm not touching it. Alright, you ready? Oh, I didn't even touch it. Come on, baby. You gotta get more in the chair. Do it. Two more spins, you guys. Anything can happen. We can do it. Anything can happen. Fill it up. Do it. Alright. You know what? I actually don't know. I don't play these and I don't follow them, so I'm not sure what I'm eligible for. Alright, you ready? Oh, we get a spinny thing. Come on, baby. Not the mini. Alright, I made my money back. Alright, I don't hate you anymore. Is that 280? Nice.
Alright, whatever.
Slotty won. Cha-ching.
What's that?
I won. I won this round. Okay.
Whatever, dude. Alright.
Yeah, you know what? You gotta bring it. That's all I do.
Alright. Let's see what I can do.
Alright, now Slotty's going to 50 cents.
What are you gonna go to? 300? You gonna stop or are you gonna keep going? Oh, come on. Oh. I gotta one up you. How am I gonna one? Okay, so if I have to win now what? 200 and what'd you win? 280?
Yeah.
Alright, I got a one.
I didn't mean to do that.
I got a one upper here, guys. There we go.
I'll take that. I'll put it right
Man, you're pretty. You guys should see Slotty's wallet. It's huge. Alright, I gotta win at least 200. Come on. Come on, there. Oh, man. Come on. Oh, one more. I've had way too many fives. That's my best hit right there. 15 bucks. Come on.
I can feel it coming. Come on. Something's gonna happen. For you, not me.
Better.
Not that attitude.
I know, right? Got a one-upper. Come on, guys. Oh.
I feel like the one downstairs has more. She's a little bit looser.
The one in the no smoking room?
Yeah.
That one? Oh. Oh, man. Come on. Man. You're still going. Are you done after that one? Yeah, I'm going all the way, guys. Come on. One more. Look at 5 again.
You already ran halfway through your bankroll there.
I'm telling you, man, it's crazy.
And on over to spots located on the first floor of the casino or the vault on the second floor of the
Come on.
casino to claim your prize.
Jeez.
Oh, come on.
Dude, it ain't happening. Oh, come on. Last one for you. Alright, I think Slotty's won this challenge. I don't even think it was a challenge, right?
I don't even get a spinny thing.
No spinny thing. I'm taking. You went all the way down, right? I gotta go all the way down. Hold on.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm going for it.
Zero?
To 0.
All right, I'm gonna start another screen. I don't have patience to figure it out.
All right. I'm on. Maybe I should do some 5 and 10s.
Well, once again, our 3 lucky
Jeez.
winners will be premium profits drawing on January
Oh, there we go.
17th. You now have just over 7 minutes to
All right. We got it.
so we can on the second floor of the casino, or Huff and slots located on the first floor.
Come on. Oh. Man. Let's do some 5s for a little bit.
We have pennies.
No, let's do some pennies. That's a good idea. I don't.
250 or 150.
Dude, I never go down to pennies though. I never do, but I'm gonna do it because this thing. Oh, 150.
This thing we're getting out for someone else.
Come on. Let's do 150 and then 225. Oh. Man. That's hilarious. Well, behind the scenes actions, guys, that we're gonna tell you about here. Oh my gosh. Alright, I can't even get anything. Alright, you know what? I give up. I'm going right up to friggin' 510. There we go.
Do some $15 bets.
15?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
$15 bets on a roll.
Want to do it again? Another 15? Got a little tray back there. Listen to Slotty, you go places, guys. Come on. Alright, enough of that. Oh, come on. Dude, so many 2s and 4s and 5s and...
There's just how many plays here. I gotta make how awesome that was.
Oh, that's right. We didn't record that, did we?
No, we didn't. It was a phenomenal session.
Yeah, that was pretty fun. Oh, there, look at that.
Everyone will ever see.
I know. That was a good one. I think we're on the deep line, guys. Come on. Oh, you got it. Look at her.
I'm on 50 cents though, so don't get all excited.
All right, hold on. We're going over to you.
Bye.
Yaamava Resort and Casino that concludes our thrilling
Whoa! He got 3 extra hats. Come on, baby, give me a full screen. It's only 50 cents, so you can fill me up. Come on, baby. All right, last spin. Do it. Look at our little baby number. Come on. I disagree with this. Just so you know, I'm a loser at the game of life. All right, 11. Look at that, 11:10. Thank you, sir.
Freaking Slotty. Can you believe this woman? This girl's gonna beat me. Come on. Oh. Let's go here.
Don't go into the
I know. crazy. Come on. I know. I gotta watch this guy next to me, guys. Hold on a second. This guy's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gold houses. Come on. Oh my god. Awesome.
All you got is you got the free game.
Wow, dude, that's insane right there. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
$1,000.
Oh my god. I told you. Alright.
Someone wants to see my game after that.
Who wants to see you? Who wants to see you?
Come on. What's up with that, man? That's insane on that bed. That's a weird bed, $9. Here, eat some of these. This will blow up your nose. Yeah. No, I pop like 2 or 3 in there.
That's good.
And I like when my eyes tear up because it's like on the mouth. This stuff, man.
Whatever, dude. Slotty's killing me. The guy next to me is killing me.
Oh, that was my last bid.
Oh, that was it?
$15, you guys.
Alright, 15 bucks.
Mark's rude.
I'm sorry. I
Sir
stole
Mark.
Sir Mark, Sir 444. You know what I'm doing? I'm done, man. I'm going for a friggin' the rest of the way at $5. Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby. Dude, why do I get the bad game? I'm not telling anybody. Alright, the guy next to me got a $1,400 and
Already showed it.
$1,400. Wait, what? Yeah, I'll say it later. Well, maybe I'll say it now. Alright, so I'm gonna whisper this, guys. Oh, there we go. Dude, so Slotty gave me a freaking Altoid because this dude next to me's BO is so bad. We're freaking dying. So now we're breathing this Altoid into our masks to kill the pain of the freaking BO. It's bad. It's like really bad. It's like I've been soured for 5 days bad. Alright, anyway, let's continue. So since I'm a loser and everybody around me is a winner. Come on. Let's go. he gets the first. Guy next to me is killing it.
I bet you don't hurt.
No more, huh? All right, we're almost done, guys. My machine must be on vacation. All right, we're going 5 rests away. Come on. All right, we're almost there. Come on, baby. Oh.
I'm sorry, but that's ridiculous.
This is crazy, isn't it? I gotta get one. Sir Marc is not doing too good, guys. What do you keep doing? In the voucher?
I'm trying to go with like change something.
Oh.
It doesn't happen on Dragon.
Alright, this ain't happening.
We need to go hit some Dragon.
Alright, we're almost done here, guys. Oh, come on, one. Look at this, dude. Another 5. It's over. It ain't happening. Last 2, guys. Here we go. Oh my god, freaking Slotty. There it is. Might as well just freaking be done right here. Oh, alright, let's go over to Slotty. Hold on, don't go yet. Alright. I did tap.
Look at this, guys. I don't even know what's happening.
Welcome to Slotty By Nature. Alright, you ready, y'all? Here we go. We got 5 chances. Come on, baby, fill it up. Fill it up. I need some excitement in my life. Let's do this. Come on, dynamite me. Do it.
Sitting next to me as an assignment.
It's a little lackluster, I'm sorry. Nice!
What? No.
I don't know the rules on this. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. That's crap. 75 bucks? Alright, $135.
Get out of here. Alright, back to the best channel ever that can't get a bonus to save my life.
Thank God you only have
The guy next to me hits. Come on. Everybody's getting bonuses around me except me. Freaking done, dude. Maybe I go down to 5 cents. Is that gonna help? Maybe. Nothing's gonna help me. Dude.
I think it's fair to say you picked the wrong machine.
I think it's very fair to say. Oh, you hear that, guys?
We can wait for that up now.
Come on. Oh, come on. There! Oh my gosh.
Yes.
This, dude, look at that. It's like the last, second to last. Alright, hold on. Let me get this view of everybody. Oh, yeah, exactly.
Come on, baby, retrigger.
Hide your kids, hide your wives. Here we go. Exactly.
Oh, that was.
Oh, damn. We're off to a bad start. Come on, baby. All right, there we go.
You never know. But you can hit that major.
I can hit the grand right here. There we go. Now they're all coming out. guy next to me hit the minor again. Unbelievable. Come on. There we go. Now we're going.
Alright, I respect you a little bit more
A
now.
little bit.
Just a little bit.
Oh,
No, you got this. Come on.
all first row. There we go. There we go. All right, all right.
Nice.
Okay, one more. Come on, baby.
One more goal. Come on, baby.
Oh, all
At least
right.
you got like it.
This freaking guy. You better freaking drool your right drool on my game. Come on. Make me win.
Let's see what you get.
There we go. Oh my
I
god.
hate that you get less than what it's amount.
I know, it's ridiculous. Come on. Oh man, 3 champs. Let's hit that grand, man. Major and grand. Major, come on. Oh, oh. All right, $50. Hear this? Wah, 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 wah. Oh my God. Look at this. Hold on. I'm moving over. Look at this woman. She's got like 9,000 bonuses.
When you want to watch a real channel, ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah, exactly.
just go over to Slotty By Nature. Go ahead, push my button.
Push the button.
Yeah, I got it. You already pushed my button, so push my button. Oh, that was a waste of while. He's gonna bite me in the butt for being sassy.
So you know, I've never got the
Bonus in the
dynamite
bonus?
in there. Never.
Yeah,
Look like a goodie.
I love that.
Oh my God.
I would love to get something to have that. Ooh, there's Slotty up to 200. Sweet. Ladies and gentlemen,
It's rigged, man. I'll rig.
I'll take it. I don't care. All right, last spin. Here we go. Do it. Do it. Do it. Keep going.
Not bad.
No, I'll take that. About 25 bet. Nice. You got 42 bucks.
Alright, still going. This is gonna be like a 400-hour video.
Yeah, you can choose to end it any time, right?
Oh, I can? Alright, let's do a backup. Alright, let's move it down. Maybe I'll do some fast forwards or something. Dude, this guy next to me, like, I've never seen anybody get a $1,400 hand pay on a freaking 2-cent Dino. What do you get that on? $9 bet? $9 on a 2-cent Dino? Alright. Maybe this
If you
thing's
think about it, it's like if it was a buck more, you're playing $10.
Yeah.
It's better I at it.
That's true. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you couldn't move over to this machine.
No, I'm not going there. It smells. Oh, it's just Dude, this guy, oh my God, it's the friggin', where's this guy? No, he's gone. The worst BO ever. I've had BO, I've had perfume, I've had, oh come on. I've had so many frickin' terrible smells next to me. Alright, here we go. $5 chuck. Come on. All right, so we stop there. I think it's time to stop. Let's stop at 200. I've been going 400 hours on this freaking video. All right, this is the last one, guys. Ready? All right, that's it. Almost made a comeback. Half my money down. Miss Slotty, how'd you do? She did all right. She took all her money. Oh, hold on. Yeah, whatever. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching us. It was fun. Catch y'all later.